Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to download InZOI on PC or laptop. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to download InZOI here and start playing the game, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, InZOI here is there are multiple ways to get or download the game. So the first option here is by using what we call Steam, which is the popular or the most common option that people would actually use. So in this case, you just need to type in Steam in your search bar, search for Steam powered or store.steampowered.com. Click on install Steam at the top right, and while it's actually downloading, you may want to click on sign in as well. And basically, you want to go and create your account. Now, you could go ahead and click on the option here that says create account. So let's go and click. You could go and click on create account. And once you fill out the details and create your account, you just need to run the installer and basically start using the actual app, because that's where you will be able to download InZOI. So in this case, once you are logged in, so just to give you an idea, this is what logging in inside the Steam app here looks like. So what you need to do is you want to go to your store at the very top here. Go to the search the store section, just type in InZOI and press enter. Now once you've searched InZOI, go ahead and click on the InZOI game here. Once you selected this, you can go and just click on the option that says add to cart. And you want to go and click on view my cart. Now once you've done this, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the option here that says continue to payment and just proceed on adding your payment method here. Now, once you've added your payment method, you go and click on continue and basically proceed with the actual payment. Now, once payment is confirmed, you have the option to install the game itself. But if you don't see that, you can go to your library, look for the game, click on the game that you want to install, click on the install button here, wait for a few hours or a few minutes depending on your internet speed, and once it's actually fully downloaded, once you go visit the library again, you should be able to see the play button and you'll be able to start playing InZOI. Now, in some cases, if you are not sure if you really like the game and you want to just save up on it, well, there are other ways for you to get the game. But just to give you some idea, this is not a guarantee. So in some cases, your copy may be revoked, or you may lose a copy of this game because, again, you will be buying from third-party sources. So in this case, you can actually use what we call G2A.com. Now, G2A here allows you to basically download games from different sources or third parties. So as you can see here, now you'll be able to save off more. Sometimes they're just setting like $2, $20 even on some copies here. And in this case, there are some restrictions. Like, for example, this can only be activated in the United States. And in some cases, you won't be able to activate them on some countries as well, as you can see right now. And which Steam or which platform you'll be able to add or use this. Now, in this case, you want to go and just click on the copy that you may want to buy. Go and click on the add to cart, which in this case, similarly what we did before. And once you click on add to cart, you can go and click on the yes, add to cart. Go and click on the go to cart option here. And once you went to your cart here, you can go and just click on the continue to payment at the bottom right and just start buying a game. Now, once you've done this, they will give you a copy of the key that you can actually use to claim that specific game. Now, this totally depends on which platform that you have InZOI purchased, but if you purchase something that can be activated on Steam, typically you just need to go to the very top here inside Steam, go to games, go and choose the option that says activate a product on Steam. And from here, it will give you the option to enter the product code and click on confirm to claim that product into your account. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.